what even is a custom keyboard? Over the past few years, the mechanical keyboard hobby has exploded in popularity, allowing more people to discover the joy of customizing their typing experience. But the real question is, why bother? Well, get isn't an accurate word because in this hobby, you can't really just buy a full keyboard. It's more that you have to source all your parts, assemble it, tune it, and change it up as you go. So today, I will be building the TKD Cycle 8 and talk you through the custom keyboard world as we go. Just a note that this will not be a tutorial for how to build a keyboard. There's plenty of that out there. But if you want to know why you should pick up a custom keyboard, you're in the right place. Alright, let's go. Since Vertex did send me this pre-production model, I will cover some of the things that I've noticed about it. First off, it's really well constructed. It's got full aluminum build CNC'd from a solid block of metal. It's got both an internal and external weight to add to the heft and help with the acoustics. And most importantly, I think for beginners, is the catchball system, which allows you to build this entire keyboard without ever touching a screwdriver. And when you tinker with the keyboard after it's built, it makes disassembling much easier. So far, it's a really great sounding keyboard, but let's see how far we can take it. So let's talk about some of the benefits that a mechanical keyboard has over a regular laptop keyboard. From a functionality standpoint, pretty much none. They both input characters into your computer, but the similarities end there. You get a more tactile typing experience with a mechanical keyboard, and you're able to tailor different parts of a mechanical keyboard to your liking. From switches to the sound profile, and much more. It's like comparing a stock car to a fully customized RX-7. But it's not just about making your own. Custom keyboards are built to last. High quality materials like aluminum, stainless steel, brass, heck, even copper, designed to handle heavy use. You're not just buying a keyboard, you're sort of investing in a tool that's gonna stick with you for a while. A common misconception is that once you're finished with the keyboard build, that configuration will remain unchanged. However, the real fun happens when you go back and test out different configurations with the same keyboard. For the initial build of the Cycle 8, I went with a typical long pole linear switch and an ABS keycap set with no foam. We can completely change the sound profile by just playing around with the foam configurations. Now, once you've been in this hobby for a bit of time, you'll realize that there's much more than the physical keyboard itself. There's an entire community out there dedicated to the tinkering and innovation of mechanical keyboards. Forums, meetup, online groups, you name it. This adds another layer to the liveliness of this hobby. And let's not forget about the creative side. Mechanical keyboards are commonly associated with the gaming industry with crazy RGB and cluttered design. However, custom keyboards are a blank canvas. You can also go minimal with a touch of taste to show off your personality. So there you have it. Custom mechanical keyboards offer a unique typing experience. They're built to last, and they let you express yourself and connect with a passionate community. If you've been on the fence, I hope this video nudges you to give it a shot. And at the end of the day, this TKD Cycle 8 is a great keyboard to get. Currently, this keyboard is still in interest check, but I'll post more information about it in the description below in case you're interested. This is also a more affordable keyboard, so newcomers can get a taste of whether this is a hobby for them. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.